Jungle Safari Story. One sunny morning, little Arav and his family went on a jungle safari. The jeep moved slowly through tall trees and green bushes. Suddenly, they saw a deer drinking water near a pond. "Look, so quiet and gentle," whispered Arav. Next, a big elephant walked by, swinging its trunk. Birds chirped from the trees, and monkeys jumped from branch to branch. Then, roar! A lion rested under a shady tree, yawning lazily. Everyone stayed still and amazed. As the sun began to set, the jungle glowed golden. Arav smiled and said, "The jungle is full of wonderful friends." Moral: we must love and protect animals and nature. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more jungle adventures.